Let's see what is the difference between innate and adaptive immunity. So first we see that what is immunity. Immunity is the ability of any organism to protect himself against any foreign object like microbes, pollens, drugs, chemicals, and many other substances. When a person possesses this ability to protect himself against foreign objects, then he is called immune. And when a person lacks this ability to protect himself against foreign objects, then he is called susceptible. There are two types of the immunities that are normally found in a human body, that are called innate immunity and adaptive immunity. First we see what is innate immunity. It is the immunity that is present from the time of our birth. Innate immunity has some specific characteristics. This immunity is always present in our body and protects us against foreign objects. Innate immunity is not specific. It doesn't recognize any specific microbe. It doesn't have the memory to remember any specific pathogen. This immunity contains first line of defense and a second line of defense. So what is the first line of defense? The first line of defense is skin and mucous membrane of our body. And the second line of the defense contains many types of the defensive cell like natural killer cell, phagocytes, and also inflammation, fever, and many antimicrobial substances, means the chemicals that are produced by our body against these pathogens. So this first and second line of the defense is included in innate immunity. Now we see what is adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity means specific response against specific microbe. Adaptive immunity only responds when a microbe crosses innate immunity, and it cannot be controlled by skin, mucous membrane, and other cells of the innate immunity. But the problem is that the adaptive immunity responds much slower than the innate immunity. But there is an interesting thing, that the adaptive immunity does have a memory. It remembers a specific pathogen and responds quickly when next time the same pathogen attacks the body. This type of immunity consists of specific white blood cells called lymphocytes, and these cells include B cells, also called B lymphocytes, and T cells, also called T lymphocytes. So this was very general introduction of innate and adaptive immunity, and in our next videos we will discuss both of these types of immunities in detail. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more videos.